Yeah, I made it. Well, I'm only just under a mile from my house. But here we are, on Mynydd Cribau. Probably the least visited of any of the tops in Snowdonia, I would think. The view is extraordinary. Let me tell you what I can see. I'll describe the view. Just over the A5 there, Glasfryn, is Gan Prys. Canna the Villias there. Arynig Fach, Arynig Fawr. Yr Owen, Mynydd Mawr North top. And Moel Penam then. Moel Farlwyd, Moel Wyn Bach, and I think that's Moel yr Hydd too. Allt Fawr, Moel Driman, Ysgafell Wen, Moel Siabod, of course. We're on to the Glydderau, Glydder Fawr, Glydder Fach, just in cloud there. A Foel Goch and Tryfan just poking up. Galltor Ogof, Kevin the Kaplan at the back, the Carneddau with Penner Olawen, Carnef Daddef and a snow-covered Carnef Llywelyn. Penllithrig yr Ach and Penner Helgydde. The Craigiau Gleision too, in the Gwydder Forest. The light's coming and going at the moment, but I'm going to hang around, take some snaps I think. What a place. Unfortunately, all that gorgeous cloud we had has sort of disappeared now, so I've taken a few little test shots before, nothing too serious, but it doesn't seem to matter really. I'm not going to take any more photographs. Just being here is what it's all about. So special. What a back garden, eh? What a back garden. I think I'll pack up now, go and get some tea.